Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to customize or change the style sheet of our QGroupBox control and how to make an attractive GroupBox control or how to change the style sheet of our GroupBox title. So let's start. So just simply select your GroupBox and select change style sheet here, and now write your style sheet here. So basics property of our any style sheet of our control is a border property, background color and border radius kind of. Okay, so let's simply set the border 1 pixel solid gray. Okay, and border color, border properties and border colors. So let's set you some random color. Okay, also set the margin top. So set it as 27 pixel. This is the value as I set. Font size is also there, so set a font size 14 pixel and apply. So you can see the gender currently shown as a title was actually shipped in the GroupBox control. So we have also solution for that. So there is a one property for that title here. Okay, so sub control origin. Okay, first property is the sub control origin. So use the margin, okay, and sub control position. Basically this is a sub control also of our GroupBox control, top center. So you can see now here there is a basic. So let's apply the background color. And also set the color as a white. So you can see now padding is there. Okay, so here let's set the padding is important, 5 pixel and around 1 pixel, 150 pixels. Okay, so you can see here we actually adjust your style sheet based on requirements. So here let's set the 100 also. And so you can see when I change the style sheet. Okay, so also you can use the width, but here we use the padding property. Okay, so let's set here 150 pixels and apply. So you can see that this is a look like a panel, and here we put one label kind of. This look like that, but let's apply some other properties. Okay, also let's set the border radius. So here we have to set the border radius for two type of left top and left top right and bottom left and bottom right. Okay, so here we set the border bottom left radius. Okay, so set that 15 pixels and left and right also. So you can see this is the border radius of our GroupBox control, and also let's apply for that title here, but here we apply the style sheet for the top control. Okay, top property. Okay, adjust our GroupBox size. Here we have to set a left and right is correct, but here we use the top and then apply. So you can see this is how our GroupBox look like when we apply the style sheet. Okay, so this is how we can use, but whenever we increase our size, so based on that we have to also increase our padding is also there. Okay, so you can see whenever we increase our padding. Okay, so let's try one more property. I think this is a 100%. We can also write here. I don't think so this is work. So just simply write your GroupBox size according property. Okay, So this is how we can use or customize our GroupBox style sheet, and how we can use our GroupBox style sheet property, or assign some properties like title value, title control. So please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding GroupBox style sheet control, and please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like this video and share this video with friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.